Just like you, most small new channels click around YouTube Studio without knowing what half of it actually does, and they miss out on a gold mine. In this video, I'm breaking down every single tab so you stop guessing and start using Studio like a top tier creator. As a bonus, I'll be dropping insider tips pulled from over $6,000 worth of creator courses I've personally studied. Thank you. So the YouTube Studio is where everything lies for the creator for when it comes to creation of YouTube in general. Okay, so we're gonna click YouTube Studio. You click your icon on top right, and you click YouTube Studio, and now you're here. The first thing that appears is your dashboard. Okay, your dashboard is just where everything is, like a quick overview of everything, so you see it. It's just like you can check it real quick and then go back to doing what you're doing in real life. It's just something quick, you know what I mean? You can't customize it at all. So yeah, it's not something that's customizable. Hopefully later on they add customizations. That's pretty cool. All right, so from the dashboard, you can upload a video, go live, or create a post. If you click create a post, you can actually create the little text right here, which I feel like you should all use, because this actually pops up on the mobile devices, almost like a Twitter feed, whenever they're going from video, short, ad, community post. You feel me? And like they'll see the post. So if your posts go viral, they'll get really good. You actually gain traction from the post too, and it's also a good way to interact with your current audience that you already have. It's really good. I recommend you all use it and learn how to use it. Probably drop a video on that later on. Okay, cool. Next you see latest YouTube performance, channel analytics, ideas for you, news. Most of it is self-explanatory. I don't need to explain it. Common sense is not common, but hopefully it's common within you guys. Creator Insider is something that you all should watch. News on YouTube is something that you all should watch, because we are creators on this platform. We have to stay in tune with the platform. This is how we eat and get paid. You can't just ignore what's feeding you. You feel me? Because then you won't know what you're eating. So that's pretty much it for the dashboard. The dashboard is just an overview. Something cool. Do you need it? Necessity? It's up to you. I don't use a dashboard. I just go straight to analytics because I'm an analytic head. You know, that's me. A lot of people who do YouTube for real go straight to analytics, and that's how it be. So go to content. This is the content tab where all your content will be, your videos, your lives. This is where you edit your videos, where you edit your shorts. This is where everything is going to be. Promos, podcasts, playlist, posts, live. Everything is here. You can see that you can go from here and click the analytics for each video here. This is where you find the video, the analytics for each of the videos that you may upload. Inspiration, I think, is AI generated. It's something new. I don't really like this because it's kind of buns to me. It never really helped anything. I've seen people use it and their content is completely buns. You see how it generates some wild stuff that has nothing, like I don't even know what this is. Terrible idea. I don't know who invented that. They need to just scrap the whole thing. Anyway, so video tab, this is where your videos are. If you want to edit one of your videos, you click this. If you want to see the analytics for your video, you click the little box, the second icon. If you want to see the comments, you click the comments. If you want to see the video, you see it right here. There's 3 dots right here for brainstorming video ideas based on it. You can delete it forever, which I recommend you not delete videos on your channel ever. You can just private it. You can download it yourself. You can promote it. You can get a shareable link, which is how you share your videos. Which I recommend if they're gonna actually watch the videos. We'll go into a whole depth about that, and then also edit the title and description from here, and then do all that stuff. You know what I mean? And go from there. Next is your short tab. Obviously your short's gonna be here. The same with that. Live, the lives are gonna be here. You can edit your live information and also see your analytics for your live videos, just like you could in your regular videos, and go from there and see your engagement and what's going on. And post is obviously when your text, you can see the I don't think you see data for your post actually, but you can edit your post here. Playlist, obviously the playlist you made, podcast, and then promotions obviously is for ads, etc. So analytic page, this is the main page. This is your best friend. Analytics page is going to be your best friend. You have to learn how to use the analytics page. I'm not going to go over the analytics page in this video, but I will eventually go over the analytics page. I need to make sure I got all my information right before we even get down to that. But the analytics page is definitely important to you. You have to learn how to do all that. Analytics page is where you're going to see all your information and your data that will help you make better content. Won't give you content ideas, maybe give you content ideas, but it will help you make better content. Right here, you see obviously show your channel views based on the last 28 days, which is top right. You can share it to the last 7 days. I only got 4K views. I haven't posted in several days. If you see my last 90 days, you'll see a big spike and a drop. Big spike and then drop. But I'm constantly getting views every single day because I made evergreen content, so it'll forever be above a number of what, like 400. It'll forever be more than 400 because I made evergreen content, which is right here, which is constantly getting views right now, right? That's evergreen content. We'll go over that another day. There are a lot of content ideas and stuff we have to cover. Right here is going to be your top content in this period. So within the last 28 days, within the last 90 days, and then within a lifetime, it'll show the top content within the period, which is the period is right here, right top right is the period. Also, you can see your subscriber live count. This is how YouTubers and content creators get this before they do celebrations. You see mine is going up. It's cool. Slow growth is better than no growth. And then yeah, all this right here, top content that's bringing you views. You'll see it right here as well. And then you can go from there. That's pretty much it. Super simple. Content. This is break it down in even more detail. This is the content. You got the videos. What it's doing right now, what your shorts are doing right now, what your live videos are doing right now, what your posts are doing right now, impressions on your posts, because I told you, like I said, the post actually gets pushed out if it's a good post, etc. And you got your playlist as well, and you can actually get views from your videos based on your playlist and your total views from your playlist, etc. Right? Cool. Your audience, this is also super important, because you need to know where your audience is most active, and you can post at these specific times that they're most active at. You feel me? Just convert it to your time zone, because this is GMT. I'm not GMT, I'm EST. -6, so yeah. You can see most are not subscribed here. Your age and gender, so you can make content based on your age and gender. Your top geographies, you can also make content based on where they're located at. You feel me? Like, there's a whole bunch of information that's super important, but we're not going to get into too much in detail. And then next is trends, which is another AI non-sensory. Next is community. Community is where you're going to text all of your, or reply to all your comments. You're going to come in here, super important. You should do this daily. Come in here, reply to all the comments as much as you can, but reply with engaging or interacting comments, so they will continue to keep commenting. And while they're commenting, they'll have to rewatch the video or play the video in the background, which give you another view. And if people are reading the comments, they're also playing your video in the background. Super important. Viewer post, I guess if they post a video based on your sound, or maybe your video or something like that, and mentions if people mention you. Normal comments and stuff. Subtitles, I don't know too much about subtitles. I don't use them. If your channel needs them, then that's up to you. That's something that's super personal. I'm not sure too much about subtitles. It's never been important to me. You can add them, or do whatever you do on subtitles. See, you can add a language, you got another language, and go from there. But I don't really use subtitles. Probably later on down the line, when you can hire people to do it for you, or get somebody to do it for you, it does get important if you want to expand your content to different languages. Copyright section, removal requests, and a whole bunch of other requests due to copyright. Self-explanatory. And earn, monetization. And obviously you can see we're not even close right here to the bottom. And yeah, this is pretty much how you get monetization, etc. This is your monetization tab. This is the big money tab. This is how we get paid. This is how we eat on YouTube. Customization, obviously this has to do with your homepage. We looked at this when we were first making your YouTube channel, and yeah, this is where you just customize your page at. You see, I finally have my links here. I typed all my stuff here. I have my keywords here and everything like that. I have all of the keywords for my old channel and my new channels. And then the audio library is obviously audio that you can use for the free ski, I think, and not get copyrighted for these, and the sound effects as well, which is super cool. I didn't even know that. What is this? Oh, that's super cool. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it for the YouTube Studio. Hopefully by now you guys understand what the YouTube Studio has in there, and it's explained to you, so you're no longer overwhelmed and you're to a basic understanding of it. You understand me? There's a quick overview dashboard, a quick overview of everything. Content, where all your videos are at, analytics, your data tab to help you find out if your content is doing what it's supposed to be doing, and then the community tab is where you reply to your chat, like the comments, love the comments, and just your user interaction from your videos, which is another place you should be. So the top 3 tabs are content, analytics, and community. The rest of the tabs you don't really need, other than earn, which is your monetization tab, but you need to worry about your content first before we start making money, because we can't make money without good content first. So that being said, I love y'all. I'll see you on the next video.